Izzy, come on! Or you'll miss seeing the real firework display.
Hey, these look pretty real to me. Whoa. All that spinning has made me one dizzy Izzy.
Next stop, Bridalwood for the Grand Unity Fireworks display.
I love that we are all together for this. I love fireworks.
And these are no ordinary fireworks. Unicorn fireworks are like totally magical. Ow!
Izzy!
Okay, the viewing spot is just up ahead. Follow me. I know this forest like the back of my hook. And the front of it.
Ow! Hey, watch it! All these roots everywhere, they should really be tidied up before some pony gets hurt. You okay, Sparky?
Oh no! I'm stuck!
Whoa, where are we?
Peach Fizz? Ponies? Hello? Oh no, I think we might be lost! Ta-da! Yay!
How's my hair? Does it look like I've been dragged backwards through a hedge?
Just a little something right there.
Look! Every pony kind is here!
Actually, I've done a head count, and not every pony is here.
Glory and Seashell. Oh no, the Pipsqueaks! They're missing?
Missing?
Oh no! Poor Pipsqueaks! These woods will eat them alive.
Okay, every pony, just stay calm. Izzy knows Bridalwood like the back of her hoof. Right, Izzy?
Oh yeah! Totally no problem. Well, there's maybe one problem. Bridalwood is gigantic. Where would we even start?
This is terrible. We'll never find them.
Ponies, focus! We need a plan if we're gonna find those ponies quickly.
I say we use Earth Pony magic and part the trees of the forest. No way! We need to fly above the forest. We'll find them quicker if we search from the air.
Ha! You Pegasus think everything can be solved by flapping about in the sky.
Ow! What is it with these branches?
Not quite the display of unity we hoped for, huh?
I've got an idea. Every pony, listen up. Right now, 2 little ponies are lost. And all that matters is that we find them.
Sunny's right. We have to work together.
Sunny! Over here! Help us!
Found them! They're safe! Ponies, create a path between me and the clearing.
Follow the cutie mark trail!
Pipsqueaks! Oh, I'm so happy you're okay.
What a sight!
Yeah, and the fireworks are pretty awesome too.
We really can do anything when we work together. Look, they're starting!
Will you be my Palentine?
Oh, right. Yeah. Happy Hearts and Hooves Day, buddy.
So, what you growing? Is it a friendship plant with heart-shaped leaves or flowers that open up and have tiny little boxes of chocolates in them?
It's a Venus flytrap. It eats bugs.
That's not heartsy or hoovesy.
I'm not that into Hearts and Hooves Day. All the lovey-dovey decorations and hearts everywhere. Ooh.
That is a really good joke, Zipp. You are so funny, because obviously every pony loves Hearts and Hooves Day, right? You'll see! You'll see! See you later! Time to see how Maretime Bay celebrates the greatest holiday of the year. I can picture it now. Be just like that. Well, a minor setback. No problem. Happy Hearts and Hooves Day, Dahlia. Oh, Happy Hearts and Hooves Day, Posy. Wow, this is a great tree. Happy Hearts and Hooves Day, Mr. Tree. Hey, that's not the spirit. I am right in thinking Hearts and Hooves Day is every pony's absolute favorite day of the year, right? Yes?
No.
Is that so? Well, we'll see about that.
Just show a little heart. It's all about your fellow pony. We all need a little love, don't have a heart of stony. If you're feeling what I'm feeling, then get up and show me. Cause today's not the day for being lonely. Oh, spreading the lovely light. Oh, it's all I've dreamt of. Oh, no, don't hesitate. You better follow your heart, it ain't gonna wait. Love, I'm gonna shout it. Love, I'm gonna shout it. Ain't no doubt about it. Love's in the air, let's shout it.
Oh, no pony cares about Hearts and Hooves Day. What's the point?
You okay there, Iz?
I tried so hard to bring a little Hearts and Hooves magic to Maretime Bay, but no pony even wants to celebrate.
Come on, I'm sure it wasn't that bad.
This is awful!
Look, Izzy, love, friendship, these aren't things you can magic up with cards and heart-shaped balloons. It takes time, you know, like a seed. You care for it and nurture it, and eventually... Yes! See? It grows into something amazing!
Huh? So you're saying friendships can grow? Like plants?
Exactly.
And love can blossom? Like a flower?
Right!
And we can all have two heads like Venus flytrap?
Yes! Wait, what? Huh! What do you know?
Thanks, Zipp. You're a real friend. Hoof to heart for Hearts and Hooves?
Hoof to heart. Come on, we better get this thing in some soil before it eats one of us.
So, have you got your eye on any pony? Any secret crushes? It's Rocky, isn't it? Ooh, you're in love with Rocky. Ooh, you'd make such a cute couple. He can style your hair and give you hoopicures, and you can go on dates, and it'd be really cute, and we'd all love it. And now for the street art. It's so beautiful. Nay, way! Five. Don't mind if I do.
Off, Izzy! No touching the art! Those are the rules.
Oh.
Many of these
street artists keep their identities secret. They believe that art can be anywhere and anything and should be experienced by every pony.
Wow, art can be anywhere. That's a cool idea. Everything okay over there, Izzy?
Art can be anywhere. Woohoo! Art can be anywhere for any pony. Did you hear that? The world will never be the same. Well, not exactly anywhere. If you want to make art in public places, you have to get permission first and... Art! It can be anywhere! Did every pony hear that? Everything is art!
Artists, am I right?
Gonna have to be extra sneaky if I want to get this right. Oh, sneaky. That's good.
Look out, their sneaky style is all freaky. Take something dull and go all nasty. They're gonna take something average and make it shine. Gotta add that beauty to the Maretime. Make the dreams a reality. Gonna turn this place into a gallery. Just let it all up for all to see. Cause we know art's for every pony. It goes round and round, yeah. We know that art makes the world go round and round. Cause art is for every pony.
Has any pony seen my keys?
Sparky, you gotta eat some breakfast.
Phone! Where is my phone?
Pipp, check your hoof.
Breaking news! Ponies are flocking to Maretime Bay to get a glimpse of the art created by a new street artist going by the name Sneaksy.
How exciting! Maretime Bay has its very own street artist.
Gotta love a secret identity.
Sure, but even street artists have to follow the rules. Look at all those code violations. Code 4781. Looks like that's a 423.
Morning, ponies. Oh, what you watching?
It's being reported that Her Majesty the Queen is relocating the most recent Sneaksy mural to Zipp or Hide.
She what? Stop! First Sneaksy painted on my wall without asking, and now you're stealing it?
It's not stealing. We have a royal decree.
And did your royal decree say who was going to fix my wall? Huh? No? Hey, come back here!
You can't blame the queen for appreciating great art.
Yeah, well, it is possible to make art and love art and not break the law. Come on, Sparky. We've got criminals to deal with.
I wasn't trying to break the law. I just wanted to make art everywhere for every pony. Like a real street artist.
Lesson learned, Izzy. Next time, Sneaksy just needs to get permission first.
Totally! And until some pony needs our art, Sneaksy is gonna lay low. Thanks, Senor B.
Honestly, I'm kind of sad that Sneaksy has gone into hiding.
I say hasta la vista, lawbreaker, troublemaker.
Hitch, harsh. Sneaksy was just trying to fill Maretime Bay with beautiful art.
Well, I would love for Sneaksy to create an original mural for Main Melody. Talk about the most epic selfie wall ever! Do you hear me, Sneaksy? Please make me a wall. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What? Thief? That must be why we are always out of mainspray. Oh, you won't get away with this. Not on my watch.
Aha! Gotcha!
Oh, my glitter. It's better than I could have ever imagined. My very own Sneaksy mural. Huh? That is a lot of glitter. There's only one pony I know who loves glitter that much. Wait, could Izzy be Sneaksy? No way.
All right, every pony, grab a slice. These are the best fruit pies in all of Maretime Bay.
Delicious!
Oh, yeah.
Yum, yum, yum.
Nice.
Look at your faces!
You literally have have pie in your ears.
Ow! It's everywhere! Look, ooh. Oh, that one's cute.
So, I was thinking, for ice cream we could... I'll be right back!
Misty, what on earth is taking so long? Have you forgotten what I sent you for? Is that pie in your main?
Oh, yeah, long story. I'll get it soon, I promise.
Remember, Misty, this task is very important. Do not fail me.
Hey, Misty! We're voting on ice cream flavors! Hurry up!
Coming!
Well, I can't just sit around all day waiting for that pathetic little pony. I have important business to attend to. Bow before me, Earth Pony.
You could call me evil, but I will go and take just what I need. Don't need no pony with me. Yes, it might be villainous, but that's what makes me the perfect queen. You will bow to me.
Donate. Keep. Food. Destroy! But does it spark fear?
My eyes want to sing like a lullaby. I'll be singing. I've got the power.
This powerful. Oh, you should be scared.
And you're going to feel the
What is taking so long, Misty?
I promise, I'm working on it.
There is zero room for error here, Misty. Whoa!
Don't worry, Opaline. I won't let you down.
Oh, I'm Sunny, and I think that every pony should have magic. I have so many friends. Enjoy your magic while it lasts, because as soon as I get one hoof on that dragon fire, I'll be the most powerful alicorn, and you and your pathetic little besties will answer to me for the rest of your lives!
Welcome to Hoofacures with Jazz. Now all you need to get started is a stencil and your favorite hoof polish. At-home Hoofacures can be super chic.
You fool! How did you let a raccoonicorn in here?
A what? Opaline, are you okay?
Put that cape down, so help me. I'm warning you, rodent. If I had my powers. That stain, so help me! Oh, you're going to pay for this, devious little...
Opaline, I did it! Keep me by a blast with a purple heart, just like you asked.
Finally! That's better. Now, Misty, this is crucial. I need you to help me pick a power crown.
Oh, but you told me to stake out main melody this evening, and, you know, the karaoke will be starting soon, and I can't miss that!
The what?
I'll be back soon!
She'll never marry that peasant.
Gotta love spring cleaning. Aw, my first roller skates. Keep. Or maybe recycle. Donate.
Izzy, what do you want to do with all these noisy, glowy gems? Izzy!
Almost got it!
Izzy, no!
And for my next trick. Let's do that again. Whoa.
Huh?
Surprise, Sonny Bunny.
Dad?
I guess you found the old family blanket. Quite something, isn't it? It's actually an ancient pony artifact passed down for 10 generations. Other pieces were hidden in Zephyr Heights and Bridlewood years ago. One day, magic will return, and Sonny, I know you'll be the one to do it. But even still, it'll take the whole family to get the other pieces.
Whole family? But it's just me now.
This smells like a mystery.
Smells more like an adventure to me. Come on, every pony.
What a wonderful surprise!
Queen Haven, we need to ask you.
Wow, that blanket. My throne room hasn't looked like that in centuries. Wherever did you...
The throne room. I knew it looked familiar. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, darling. I think.
I guess that's where the next piece is? How do we...
I've got this, ponies. Hoping Sissapony. Any minute now.
Mom's not going to like this.
Hitch, we need Earth Pony magic too.
Say no more, Sonny. Critters, roll out! Now, lift!
Hitch, I meant our other Earth Pony magic.
Yeah, that makes more sense. Good hustle, team!
We should probably.
Yes, let's.
My throne! Gods!
Ta-da! I told you, just like the picture. Now let's see if I remember how it works. Unicadabra!
It's beautiful.
Ready, ponies? Once I hit the big gem, you have to hit all the others in order, okay?
Oh, like just Prance.
Only bigger, harder.
And muddier.
We've got this.
Well then, Unicazam!
Go, Sonny!
See that?
Did it! Is it done? Come on, let me see!
And presto!
Oh, that is something.
It's Hoof Tank Vintage!
It's us.
Now, you're probably thinking our family's a little too small to do all this. And you'd be right. But family is just a fancy word for ponies that always stick together. Your friends can be a family you choose. And Sonny, hoof to heart, I know you'll find that someday.
I already did, Dad.
how's it going?
Are we dressing like mimes? Fun! I am so ready. Oh. Oh.
No. I just wanted to make you all your favorite Winter Wish Day cookies, but I can't find the recipes anywhere. I mean, I've never even heard of a kiwi pie crystal unicookie, or a royal banana nut bite, or...
Grandma Figgy's good old-fashioned marshmallow citrus crumblies?
Exactly!
Hey, don't worry about it, son. We haven't eaten those cookies since we were little foals.
Yeah, and they're never gonna taste as good as we remember them anyway.
Oh, really? Time for Operation Wish Day Cookie. First, I'll get Grandma Figgy's recipe, then I'll get Alpha Biddle's help in Bridalwood, and then I'll break into the palace at Zephyr Heights to find the top secret royal recipe. Wait, what? Grandma Figgy! You've got to teach me how to make Hitch's favorite Wish Day cookies. Please?
Oh, Sonny, I'd love to teach you. If you think you're ready.
What?
What a day.
So, do you have the recipe written down somewhere, or...?
No, dear, it's all in here.
Aw, that's sweet. So how much flour?
Why, just listen to your heart and your hooves will follow.
Oh, boy. Alpha Biddle, I need your help.
Now, just stir 3 times clockwise. Throw some salt over your left shoulder and break an egg with your right hand. That's to chase away the cake ghosts. I said left shoulder! Do you want cake ghosts?
Make with your heart, not with your hooves.
So much fun. A holly jolly time. A joyful wishing time. I wanna spend it with you. Reaching for rainbows.
Use the cheesy spoon!
And it's the best of the year. Family and friends. And now bunny kind. Let's have a good time. 'Cause all I want to do is celebrate with you. Because I love you. From my heart to your roots, we're making
Such a lovely day to admire a vault of royal secrets.
Holidays are here. It's the sweetest time of the year. The sweetest time of the year. The sweetest time of the year.
Spin 4 times? Or 5 times? Add a pinch of the... wait, what was it? Something about a sunbeam?
Bake with your heart, not with your hooves.
My heart, not my hooves.
'Cause all I want to do is celebrate with you. Because I love you. From my heart to your roots, we're
Probably fine.
memories.
Your extra special Winter Wish Day cookies are served.
Come on, Sonny, you didn't have to. Oh.
Oh, cake ghost.
Okay, I know they don't look exactly how you remember, but...
No, they look great! Can't wait to taste it. Just like Grandma Figgy used to make.
We made a Wish Day cookie for you, too.
Not sure we got the recipe quite right.
Ponies, the time has come.
To do secret canter! Secret wishy hoof tradition, full of secrets. Come forth, ponies, and let the sacred wishy hoof vessel revealeth your ponyeth to you.
So we draw names from a hat.
Kinda, but with magic and mystery.
Hey, my elf hat! I've been looking for that!
Silence! The time for secret selection is upon us. You may secretly check what pony you have picked then. Now go! And make them a present!
Whoa there, make? You mean buy. We're not makers, Izzy. We...
Secret Cantor demands you craft the best gifts you can. And remember, ponies,
Let me guess. We have to do it in secret.
are you sure you haven't done this before? The time is upon us! Revealeth your gifts! Step forward for your gift and you may keep it. But whomever it's from shall forever remain secret.
Ooh, a photo album for pics of me and Sparky. And covered in red sequins, Sparky's favorite. Thank you, whoever this was from.
Who could it be? A Rudolph? Oh! Ooh! Perfect for my detective work!
A magnifying glass made from candy wrappers that doesn't actually magnify anything.
Whoever made you those must really know you well.
I guess I can just move my head closer to the clue.
Ooh! Perfect for creating new products that made melody! Aw, thanks, Secret Mystery Pony. Oh, very mysterious.
Wow! It's a, I want to say a cake? Or maybe a cookie? Hey, did you know that we're out of baking soda? Not that I have any reason to know that. Oh, it's a diary! Because I love secrets and glitter!
Glittery secrets.
Oh, well, that was fun, Izzy. Any pony want some cookie cake?
Sorry, Izzy. Guess we're not expert crafters like you.
Oh, cha. You put your hearts into crafting these gifts. It's the thought that matters in Secret Cantor.
Whoa, check it out! A wish and tell miracle!
Yeah! Now this is what I was trying to make!
Me too!
Izzy, your diary's just the same.
You can't improve perfection. Oh! Ponies, look! Over there! Oh gosh! There seems to be an extra gift for each of us!
Hey, look! We've all got
Crafting bells!
It's pretty clear we could all use the practice.
Thanks, whoever got us those.
I'm gonna say it was Sparky.
They're from me! I made them for you all! They're from me! Me! They're from me! Izzy! Izzy! Me! Dear diary! Woo! Keeping a secret is hard work! Oh, wait, did I say that out loud?